everyone, it's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we're going to talk surplus. This is a 3.1 liter GM engine. It did come straight from a surplus load. It is a 0-mile engine, and again, straight from GM. It fits in a pretty broad array of applications. You can get a good idea over here what it will fit in. And it will also fit in 2003 Centuries, Grand Prix, and Malibus if you swap the oil pan over. Now, this comes a little more complete than our remanufactured long block would. However, it does not include the gaskets, but you will have your oil pan, oil level sensor, and oil filter. You'll also have your lower intake manifold and valve and timing covers. So what you see is what you get. This is how it comes. Again, we have roughly 30 of these in stock right now, and they are priced to sell quickly. So give us a call if you need one. Our number is 888-842-0023, or you can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net.